So coming back to the LKG class, that is lower KG class. So it is all about technicals. So before going to the technical course, we need to have some LKG basics. So this is in.investing.com. Note down the website name in.investing.com. We need to go here. Type one company name. Let's say HDFC Bank. Carefully see with all your concentration. Type one company name. HDFC Bank has come now. So click on that company. That is share. Once again, I'll just type and show HDFC Bank. Can you see? Bank Limited. Carefully see. Don't click on this life insurance. Some people will click. That's the reason LKG class में clearly सीखना चाहिए. We have to clearly understand where I am clicking, what I am clicking, why I am clicking. So HDFC Bank Limited. This is done. Now this opens like this and some ads will come, so we have to ignore everything. So our concentration is to learn this technicals. No, click on this technical chart. Click on technical chart. So it opens like this now. So now next step is click on full screen mode. Click on technical charts, click on full screen mode. Step number 3 done. Now take candlesticks. Can you see candlesticks on the top? Yeah, this is candlesticks. So this is 1 day candle. See, green candle, red candle. There are only two color candles, no? Green and red. Green means that day stock has gone up. Red means that day stock has fallen down. That's it. Very simple. Red means that day stock has fallen down. We have taken a 1 day candle. So the interval is 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. There are many candlesticks here. But we have taken 1 day candle. That is, one candle is equal to 1 day. The dates can be seen at the bottom. I think everyone can see the dates at the bottom. See this dates, everything is there. Clearly the dates are mentioned. Saturday and Sunday is holiday. That dates will not be mentioned. Only Monday to Friday, all the dates are mentioned. So सब कुछ dates है. Green means market has gone up. Up to this is clear. Now some people are seeing this wick, no, lower wick, stick kind of a pattern, and upper wick. This is upper wick. This is lower wick. Let me take one candle. This is 6th December ka candle. Can you see the opening price, high price, low price, closing price? So everyone see here, open, high, low, close. I keep a cursor on this candle. Today HDFC opened at 115.12. It closed at 15.03. It went to 15.18 and it went down to 14.97. Clearly they have mentioned. So opening and closing is represented by the body of the candle. High and low price is represented by the lower wick, upper wick. So this stick hai na, see opening price, the opening price, so just enroll. So this is the base of the candle. This is the, sorry, this is a red candle, no? Red candle mein opening is at the top, close is at the bottom of the body. This is body, opening is at the top, close is at the bottom in the red candle. Carefully listen. This is high price, this is low price. So now a green candle, opening is at the base of the candle, close is at the top of the candle. Opening, closing. Opened at 100, closed at 105. In between stock went to 108. In between it opened at 100. In between it went to 95. This is low, this is high, this is opening, this is closing, the body closing. So this is all about green and red color candles. So now if someone wants to see the entire life history of a company, HDFC company, that is HDFC Bank, take the monthly candle. So I'll close this volumes, not needed. So I've taken the monthly candle. Can you see? Monthly candle, if you take now, one candle is equal to 1 month. What is the meaning of monthly candle? One candle will capture 20 days ka movement. That is, in a month 20 trading days will be there, let us assume. So 20 trading days ka movement is captured in one single candle, that is monthly candle. If you take weekly candle, can you take weekly? 1 week ka movement is captured in one single candle, that is weekly candle. One candle hai na, that is 1 week. If you take daily candle, just one day movement is captured in daily candle. Now you are able to understand what is the meaning of weekly, daily, monthly. So why should we use monthly candle? See, if you use monthly candle, entire life history of the company can be got within some number of candles. If you take daily candles, 1 year itself will get 140 candle, 240 candles. So if you take the weekly candle, 52 candles will get. But if you take monthly candle, for 1 year graph, you'll get only 12 candles. So 20 chapatis we are mixing and making with one chapati. That is monthly candle. That's it. Game over. 5 chapatis we are mixing and making one chapati. That is weekly candle. That is game over. Daily, weekly, monthly candle. So these are the things we need to learn in this LKG class in investing.com. And we also use tradingview.com. So tradingview.com also we need to learn in this LKG classes. So this is one more website where we use this website for intraday trading. So I'll click on this chart where I'm clicking in this trading view. I'm clicking on the chart. Once again I'll show you. Go to Google search engine. Don't use any other search engine than Google. Go to tradingview.com. So this is the in.tradingview.com. This is a website, correct website. So now click on this chart, everyone. So let me take one company, HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC. So these are all inbuilt indicators we are using. Take 5 minutes candle or 15 minutes candle. So the most preferred candle is 15 minutes. And if you want indicators, click on FX and we can type indicators. Let's say you want one indicator called RSI. RSI has come. So let me type, you want some indicator like EM, exponential moving average, it has come. So usually it will be like this. We need to make it favorites. First thing, make it favorites. This is most important point people will forget. Make it favorites. Why? Because you will not forget later. So I have made this many indicators are favorite. I need not go and search. Directly I'll put this Ichimoku cloud. It comes like this. That's it. Game done. So these are all the shortcuts you need to learn in this LKG classes. So how to take the indicators. The indicators will teach in the classes, but these are all the prerequisites you need to learn this LKG classes. Tradingview.com and investing.com, and we also use the chartinc.com. See, all this in detail explanation will give in classes, but these are all the things where you'll get well versed. At least your mind accept this one, but during the classroom training you will feel very aram, so you can sit and listen to the classes. Else if you're a beginner, if I straight away put the vehicle into fourth gear, you will not understand. So that's the reason we are making you learn all these LKG classes. So coming to this charting, we can create a scan here. How to create a scan? Let me click on this create scan, click on this plus symbol where I'll select open equals low, and I want to run this filter for Nifty 50 companies only. See, there are many things, Nifty 200, Nifty 500. Do you want to run this filter for Nifty 200 or 100, or it's your wish? So let's say my trading style is I trade only Nifty 50 stocks. So let me run this strategy. This is one strategy called doublet. So this doublet, this is how we can scan, and click on run scan. So this is how we can scan. Today no stocks found to trade. So if there are some stocks to trade, we can trade it. So charting.com, investing.com, tradingview.com, these are all the main websites we use for technical, that is LKG classes. Technical course is LKG. So and even we also use nseindia.com. So how to use nseindia.com? So just type Nifty, it will come like this, and we can take option chain. All those things will be discussed in the classes. And going back to, so we have a beautiful website called StockEdge. So this is most needed in this StockEdge. So this will create a lot of shortcuts. The StockEdge will create and give you a lot of shortcuts. So StockEdge is a beautiful website. It will give lot of shortcuts to trading, intraday, swing trading. So in this StockEdge, click on Get Started. So yeah, I'm just teaching you how to open the websites at least. So you'll not feel, sir, this many websites in the classes. You'll not feel headache. Already you know all these things. Before going to the war, you know which weapon to use now. So now these are all the weapons we are going to use in the classroom. That is in your engineering syllabus. Now we are in LKGs. So click on this scans, click on price scans, click on previous day breakout scans. This is one scan, and click on scans, click on candlestick scans, click on bullish reversal scans, bullish engulfing. We can see all the candlestick patterns here itself. No need to search 6,000 companies. There are 6,000 companies. How can you search which company has formed bullish engulfing? Very simple. Use the scanner called StockEdge. Go to StockEdge, click on scans, click on candlestick scans. It will scan and give everything. And click on this volume and delivery scans, and click on the higher trade and delivery quantity. See, all these scans we will do it in our classes. And what is the significance of for all these things we'll discuss in the classes. So this is what we need for LKG. This is enough. So now we'll continue with UKG in upcoming video. Thank you.